And again, here is our lamp assembly line. There are totally 10 production lines for producing downlight, ceiling lights, wall light, linear and fighter other products. Panel and tube are produced in Huizhou Manufacture Center. Here is our QC room. Before production, the first sample will be checked here with function test and photometry test. This procedure is very important to ensure our quality and lead time. At the end of production line, there is a position to do function test to make sure every piece of our product is of no problem. After assembling, we will do aging test here. This is also 100% test. We can do tests according to different voltage and frequency of different markets. The aging time is 4 hours. Okay, that's all for our factory introduction.
If there's any need or question, welcome visit our website www.upshine.com or send an email to our info@upshine.com. Also, you can contact our sales.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.